Big up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man guys, today I'm gonna go over how to restore your headlights. Check out these headlights guys. I have this Honda CR-V in. Headlights are looking really grimy, oxidized, a lot of dead plastic there guys. So we're gonna clean them up. I'll show you a step-by-step way you can go about doing so the right way. All right guys, let's get preparation started. Have my work table here with all the tools I'll be needing. I'm gonna pop the hood so we have this area of the lights clear, and then we're gonna tape out this area here. All right guys, now we got everything prepped and ready to go. We have our tape set out. Check out the headlight guys. You can see how dirty it is. So first steps first, you know, we already washed it off with some soap and water, but you can also use your IPA wipe, IPA spray rather. Give it a nice wipe down with the IPA. Just make sure it's nice and squeaky clean. And then since we're going to be wet sanding today guys, I'm going to start with 2500 grit sandpaper. Quick tip guys, if you don't have a sanding block or anything like that, obviously, you know, you can fold this and hold it by hand, but if you have an eraser at home, you can almost essentially make your own sandpaper block with it. Just hold it up like that, and hold it and sand like this. And guys, since we're wet sanding, you're gonna need your water. And make sure the surface is nice and wet always while you're sanding guys. So just wet the area. And with the sandpaper too. And then you want to go in guys. Nice. Back and forth motion. And already you can see like a milky type fluid. Milky, it's kind of white, brown. That's some of the dead plastic coming off already. Take your time guys and make sure you cover the entire lens. Alright guys, you use your clean microfiber towel and wipe up and inspect your work so far. All right guys, we're coming along all right. So to kind of fine tune the scratches made from the 2500 grit sandpaper, we're going to move up to 3500 and just do the same thing over again guys, same process. Guys, just remember there are many ways to do the job. As I say, there are many ways to skin this cat, but this is just one way you can go about it guys. You know, the more steps you take, it's probably the better results you're going to achieve, the more clarity, because you could definitely go in and just go ahead and just polish the headlights right away without wet sanding, but with the step-by-step process of the wet sanding, you're definitely going to get better results. All right guys, now that we've knocked off a lot of that dead plastic, I'm gonna go in now and got my drill here, got my orange cutting pad. I'm gonna use some of the Cash Chemist fine cut, a little this is a medium cutting compound. So a couple drips here. We're going to use this now to kind of refine out some of the scratches made from the sandpaper. Spread the compound around a bit. And then spread it around. All right, now that the compound is spread, guys, then we're going to go in at a higher speed and try and shine these headlights up. Hopefully it can, because I see a big difference with my eyes. All right, guys, it's looking pretty good to me. However, we can take another step, and we're going to switch pads. Some more polishing pad. It really has no cut. I'm going to use the micro cut to further refine our finish. Just a little bit, guys. We don't need a lot. Same process, guys. Just spread your product around. Low speed, just kind of smear it around the head, all over the headlight, covering the entire lens. Once that's done, we're gonna work it in until it's clear to the product. You know, it clears up on the lens. Let's go. Off again. Wow, it's looking a lot better than it was before, guys. Check it out. Inspect the results. If you feel that you've achieved the results that you want, you can go ahead now, and a nice finishing touch will be add a little bit of protection on the headlights. You can use whatever you want, a sealant, ceramic coating, whatever, guys, a glaze. But today, just to simplify things, I just have some of that nice technician's choice. It's easy to apply. Just a little bit of protection, guys. Just protect all that work you just did. Give the lights a nice finishing gloss to it. Boom. Flip your towel. One final buff. There you have it, guys. Fully restored headlights. Looking way better than they were before. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it informative. It's all about restoring those headlights. Remember, guys, headlights, they have a very big impact on the overall look of your vehicle. I mean, everything else could be looking on point, but if you have dirty or foggy headlights, it's definitely going to throw off the appearance of your ride. So, yeah, man, guys, every Wednesday, 4 p.m., make sure you log in, like, subscribe, share, all of that. Respect, guys. Bless.